The 2026 Audi A8 represents the pinnacle of German engineering, luxury, and technology in the full-size sedan segment. Audi has always been a brand that balances sophistication with performance, and the 2026 A8 takes this philosophy to a whole new level. With a redesigned exterior, cutting-edge interior technology, powerful engine options, and advanced driver assistance systems, the 2026 Audi A8 continues to redefine what a luxury sedan should be. Today we'll explore every aspect of this car, from design and performance to interior features, technology, safety, and why it remains one of the most desirable luxury sedans in the world. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Audi A8 combines elegance with athleticism. The front fascia features Audi's signature single-frame grille, now wider and more prominent, flanked by ultra-thin LED matrix headlights that provide exceptional illumination while giving the car a futuristic look. The hood and side panels have sharper lines, emphasizing a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The sleek roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, where full-width LED tail lights and an integrated spoiler enhance both aerodynamics and aesthetics. The body is sculpted with precision, balancing luxury elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. With subtle chrome accents, flush door handles, and large alloy wheels, the A8 exudes confidence on every road. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi A8 offers multiple engine options, all designed to deliver a balance of power, efficiency, and refinement. The base model comes with a turbocharged V6 that produces around 340 horsepower, offering smooth acceleration and effortless cruising. For those seeking more performance, the V8 variant generates over 500 horsepower, combining incredible power with silky refinement. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring excellent traction and stability in all weather conditions. Additionally, a mild hybrid system enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, allowing the A8 to deliver impressive performance without sacrificing eco-consciousness. The engine is paired with an advanced automatic transmission, delivering precise gear shifts and a responsive driving experience. Inside, the 2026 Audi A8 is a sanctuary of luxury, technology, and comfort. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and wood or carbon fiber trim depending on the configuration. Seats are fully adjustable, ventilated, and massaging, ensuring maximum comfort for long journeys. Rear passengers enjoy executive-level seating with extended legroom, reclining capabilities, and optional footrests. The A8's interior design combines minimalism with functionality. Audi has integrated dual touchscreens for infotainment and climate control, complemented by a customizable digital driver display. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and voice commands, making connectivity seamless. Ambient lighting with multiple color options adds a personal touch to the cabin, creating a relaxing and sophisticated environment for both driver and passengers. Technology is one of the strongest points of the 2026 Audi A8. The car comes with Audi's latest MMI system, featuring haptic feedback, gesture controls, and artificial intelligence that adapts to your preferences. The driver assistance suite is extensive, including adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, lane keeping assist, intersection assist, predictive efficiency assistant, and 360-degree cameras. The A8 can also be equipped with a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway driving, enhancing convenience during long trips. Advanced navigation and real-time traffic updates make commuting easier, while intelligent parking systems simplify city driving. Audi has also enhanced cybersecurity and over-the-air software updates to ensure the A8 remains technologically up-to-date. Performance and driving dynamics of the 2026 A8 are equally impressive. The sedan features a lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel body that balances rigidity and weight, improving both handling and efficiency. The adaptive air suspension provides a smooth ride, adjusting damping in real time to road conditions. Steering is precise and responsive, giving the driver confidence in corners and at high speeds. Even though the A8 is a large luxury sedan, it handles like a smaller, sportier car without compromising comfort. Noise insulation is exceptional, keeping the cabin quiet and serene even at highway speeds, which adds to the feeling of sophistication and refinement. Safety is paramount in the 2026 Audi A8. The car comes equipped with multiple airbags, reinforced body structure, and electronic stability systems to protect occupants in any situation. Advanced driver assistance features including night vision assist, traffic sign recognition, emergency braking, and pedestrian detection enhance both driver and passenger safety. The A8 also includes predictive maintenance alerts and tire pressure monitoring, ensuring that potential issues are addressed before they become problems. With a combination of passive and active safety systems, the 2026 A8 provides peace of mind for every journey. Fuel efficiency in the 2026 A8 has improved thanks to the mild hybrid system and optimized powertrain. The engine can switch seamlessly between electric assist and combustion power, reducing fuel consumption in city driving and improving overall efficiency. Regenerative braking captures energy during deceleration, further enhancing fuel economy and reducing emissions. Audi has clearly focused on balancing performance with environmental responsibility, which is increasingly important in today's automotive market. The 2026 Audi A8 also excels in customization. Buyers can choose from multiple trims, color options, wheel designs, interior materials, and technology packages. From elegant understated luxury to sportier performance-oriented configurations, the A8 can be tailored to match personal taste and lifestyle. This level of customization ensures that each vehicle is unique, reflecting the owner's preferences while maintaining Audi's signature quality. The value proposition of the 2026 Audi A8 lies in its combination of luxury, performance, technology, and reliability. It competes directly with other high-end sedans like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Lexus LS, but the A8 stands out for its quattro all-wheel drive, advanced infotainment, and precision engineering. It offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and comfortable, blending sportiness with sophistication in a way few competitors can match. In conclusion, the 2026 Audi A8 is a masterpiece of automotive engineering that sets new standards in the full-size luxury sedan segment. With its striking design, powerful yet efficient engines, luxurious and tech-filled cabin, advanced safety features, and refined driving dynamics, it continues Audi's tradition of excellence. Whether you are driving through city streets, cruising on the highway, or enjoying a long-distance journey, the 2026 A8 delivers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and innovation. For those seeking a luxury sedan that embodies both prestige and modern technology, the 2026 Audi A8 is an undeniable choice. It is more than a car. It is a symbol of sophistication, engineering prowess, and driving pleasure, representing the very best of what Audi has to offer in the world of luxury automobiles.